So when I decided to file for divorce, I was very, very scared because of the legal paperwork and the process that I was so totally unaware of. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to start. You guys see the clothes back here in case you're distracted. Those are my mom's clothes that we'll be putting up on Poshmark and maybe Facebook, I don't know. But if you see them back there, I'm setting up a little area to kind of film her clothes because that will be under my caregiver chronicles in case you want to know. But anyway, back to the story. I didn't know what to do. I was so nervous about the whole process. And so eventually someone made a comment to me to call legal aid. And I know in every state, if they don't have legal aid, they have something similar to it, because the divorce process can be very, very daunting. It can. You've not been in this situation before. You don't know what to expect. It's very, very hard. And so you don't know the next steps in order to proceed with the divorce. And so a lot of the paperwork you can actually fill out yourself. Attorneys are very expensive. This is no shade to an attorney. Had I had the funds, I probably would have just called an attorney and asked them to do it. But the legal aid that I called actually is staffed with attorneys who were able to give me the information that I needed in order to proceed. They told me what forms to fill out. They told me, how to submit the forms and what to do and what went along with the forms. And so it made the process, even though still daunting, it made it affordable. Let's be real, because I could not have afforded an attorney with 5 young people that I was responsible for taking care of. So here's my point. If you don't have the funds to file for divorce, see if your state has legal aid or something comparable to it so that you could get the help that you need to start the process. Hopefully, once again, I hope that your marriage hasn't gotten to that point. I hope you're able to work on it and reconcile and you two straighten things out. But if you're not and you've got to go that route, don't be unusually overwhelmed with the legal process or the proceedings for those who can't afford an attorney. Call your state government and see if you have something like legal aid that can offer assistance and have them walk you through the process and the filing. This is your girl, Essie. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Remember to like, comment, follow, repost, and share. I'm out.